check out the stage we made for the beach toys.
It's brilliant, isn't it? We've made the stage out of cardboard boxes that we've painted in nice bright colours, and we've decorated it using stickers like these.
And every super gig needs a super speaker, so we're going to make one. You will need an empty tissue box and a pair of old tights. Now ask a grown-up to cut one leg off the tights, and we're going to stretch it over the end of the tissue box.
Ah, brilliant. Right, whilst you're doing that, Evie, the next thing we need to do is get another tissue box. And then you need to ask your grown-up to cut the front part of the tissue box off like this, but make sure you leave the hole in it, because that's very important. And then we're going to stick it onto the front of the other one.
Oh, great. I think we need to decorate it.
Yeah, we can decorate it using stickers like these, because they look a bit like buttons, but you can decorate it any way you want.
And it'll look a bit like this one. Oh, what do you think, guys?
Hey, I think they love it!
Oh, great. And if you've made your own band, then we would love to see. Head over to the CBeebies website for all the details.